Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the hard drive replacement process, ensure you have the following tools: a Torx T8 screwdriver, a Torx T10 screwdriver, a suction cup, and a plastic opening tool. First, power off your iMac and unplug all cables. This is crucial for your safety. Next, place the iMac face down on a soft surface to avoid any scratches on the screen. Use the suction cup to gently lift the glass panel. Be cautious, as the glass is fragile. Insert the plastic opening tool between the glass and the aluminum frame to carefully detach the clips. Work your way around the screen until the glass is free. Once the glass panel is removed, you'll see the internal components of the iMac. Now, locate the hard drive. It's secured with several screws. Using your Torx T10 screwdriver, remove these screws carefully. Keep track of them, as you will need to replace them later. Before removing the hard drive, disconnect the SATA cable and the power connector attached to it. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any components. If you're unsure about disconnecting the cables, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you assess the situation. With the cables disconnected, gently lift the hard drive out of its bay. If you're replacing it with a new drive, ensure the new hard drive is compatible with your iMac model. If you don't have the tools or confidence to do this yourself, don't forget we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Now, it's time to install the new hard drive. Slide it into the bay and reconnect the SATA and power cables. Make sure they are securely attached. Once everything is in place, replace the screws you previously removed using the Torx T10 screwdriver. After securing the hard drive, it's important to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out any dust and debris from the fans and other parts. This will help maintain optimal performance and prolong the lifespan of your iMac. If you prefer, we can handle the cleaning for you. Just reach out for a quote before repair. Next, reattach the glass panel. Align it properly and press down gently until the clips snap back into place. Ensure it's securely fitted to avoid any gaps. Finally, place your iMac back on its stand, reconnect all cables, and power it on. Check to see if the new hard drive is recognized by the system. If you encounter any issues, remember, we provide no calls, no travel support to assist you remotely. Congratulations on successfully replacing the hard drive in your iMac 27-inch. With these steps, you should notice a significant improvement in performance. For any additional help or services, don't hesitate to contact us. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.